Hello everyone, welcome to today's topic. Today's topic is online traffic. So first thing you have to understand is the definition of traffic. Traffic is nothing but the number of visitors coming to your website during a particular period of time is called traffic. Now coming to the next aspect is types of traffic. Now when we talk about types of traffic, these are the major types of traffic. So let's get started with the first one. So what is direct traffic? Whenever a person visiting a website, typing the address of the URL of the website or coming through a mobile app is called direct traffic. Just an example, so you go to your browser, Chrome, Firefox, Mozilla, anything. So I type amazon.in and I click enter. What is happening is I'm the visitor going to this website. So the type of traffic is called direct traffic. Or if you have installed a mobile app on your phone. So if you open the app, the type of traffic is called direct traffic. The second type of traffic is called search traffic. In search traffic, as the name says, people coming from search engines. Now again, you have two types of traffic. One is called free traffic, one is called paid traffic. Now, to give an example, you go to Google, and again, I take an example of Amazon this time. I search for Amazon, you see two results. One is free result and one is paid result because it says add here. Now, if I click on this, what is happening? I'm going to Amazon. The type of traffic is called search traffic because I'm coming from search engine, but it is free. Whereas here, there is an ad here. If you see here, there's an ad here. I click on this. What is happening? I'm still going to Amazon, but still it's also called as search traffic only, but it is called as paid traffic. Now, coming back, guys, again, you might be thinking, sir, should people search only their brand name? No, not necessarily. If someone searches for buy men's shoes, example. So I scroll down, say for example, Mintra, Amazon coming here. If this is an organic result, as of now, I see an ad here. If you click on it, I don't want to waste their money so many times. So if you click on this, what happens? I go to Amazon. It's still called search traffic, but it is paid. This is also search traffic, which is free. I'm just giving an example of Amazon, guys. All these are examples of search traffic only. Okay, so for free traffic, you'll be learning the concept of search engine optimization, in short SEO, and for paid traffic, we call them as SEM, SEO, search engine optimization. This is search engine marketing. It's also called as pay-per-click ads. So comes under search traffic. The next type of traffic is called social traffic, people coming from social media sites. For example, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, etc. Again, you have two types of traffic. One is free traffic and one is paid traffic. Now coming back, say for example, you have a Facebook account or a Twitter account or an Instagram account. So you follow so many brands, they'll be making posts. Now say I'm following Amazon for now. So whenever they make an update, what happens? Their posts will be seeing in my feed. So can you see there is a link here? There's a link here. This is not an ad. This is a post, normal post they have made in their page. There is a link here. I click on this link. Where I go to? I go to Amazon. The type of traffic is called as social traffic, which is called free traffic. So and similarly, you can take only for I don't have to take only like Facebook, guys. You can take example of Twitter also. Again, there is a link here. If you click on it, you'll still land to that particular web page of that website. So still it's called as free traffic or social media optimization. So for free traffic, we call them as SMO, social media optimization. For paid traffic, it's called as social media marketing. Ever went through your Facebook feeds, guys? Sometimes you would have seen ads. It says sponsored, or here you would have seen here. These are ads. Can you see sponsored, Mind Valley? Can you see this ads? So there's an ad here. Now can you see it says sponsored, and there is a link here called learn more. I can click anywhere in the image, but you see learn more here. I click on learn more. What is happening? I'm going to that particular website. This is not an ad of Amazon, guys. I'm just saying an example here. I can't find an ad of Amazon right now, but you can see the getting the point. There's a link here. I click on learn more. I go to this particular website. The type of traffic is called search social traffic, but it is paid traffic. For this, we call them as social media marketing. So this is called as social traffic. The next type of traffic is called email traffic, people coming from emails. So here, if you have checked your mails, if you check your inbox, social promotions, spam, there'll be a lot of links here. Now this is my inbox and there is a link here. Can you see it says get started? I've ever seen buttons like buy now, learn more, okay, something like that. And I click on this link. What happens? I go to that particular website. The type of traffic here is called as email traffic. And the next type of traffic is called referral traffic. It's also called as affiliate traffic. Now people coming from referral sites. For example, I'm in a website called as My Smart Price. They are a comparison blog and they write reviews about electronics. So I have done some doing some research on Samsung Note 9, sorry, no, MI Note 9 Pro. So if you scroll down, there are links here. Can you see this? Amazon, Tata Click, Paytm Mall, and all those links. Say for example, I click on Amazon, I click on Go to Store. What is happening is I'm going to Amazon website. It takes a couple of seconds. I'm in Amazon website. Now previously I was in My Smart Price, which is a referral site. The type of traffic is called as referral traffic. Sometimes it's also called as affiliate traffic. Now coming to the last one is called display traffic or display ads. Now you have seen ads like this, guys. Ever seen ads like this? It says ads by Google. Now this is an ad by Sony. Okay, there's an ad here. If I click on this, what happens? I go to, oh, this time I'm going to Amazon website only. Oh, awesome. So can I see this? This is an ad. Can I see this? There's an ad here. I clicked on this and I landed to this page. The type of ad is called as display ad traffic. So hopefully guys, hope you are very clear on this. We have six type of traffic. Direct traffic, people coming through URL. Search traffic, people coming from search engines like Google, Yahoo, Bing. Social traffic, people coming from social media sites like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram. And in these two, you have free and paid traffic. Free traffic you don't have to pay. Paid traffic you have to pay to run campaigns. Same thing in social traffic. You have free, you have paid. For search free we call them as SEO. For search paid we call them as SEM. Similarly, for same way we have SEO, SEM. We are social, we have SMO and SMM. And we have email traffic, referral traffic. It's also called as affiliate traffic and display ads. So this is what I want to talk about in terms of types of traffic. So you learned the definition, types of traffic. Now we'll talk about tools to check traffic. So if it's your own website, if you're the webmaster of the website, the best tool, and it's a free tool to go with, is called Google Analytics. More than 75% of all the websites on the internet is powered by Google Analytics, and it is free. And that for fact, Google Analytics was never owned by Google. There was a company called Urchin in 2005. Google bought it and changed the name to Google Analytics and started to give for free. So because they get data for free, that's the reason they're giving you analytics for free. Now this is a tool called Google Analytics, okay, which you'll be learning once you build your website and you start collecting data. We'll talk about this extensively, but for now we'll not be talking about Google Analytics, but it's a very, very powerful tool for analyzing website data. Now coming to the next one, there is a paid tool. Again, I can't say it's Google Analytics is completely free. They have Analytics 360, which is a free paid version, but most of the time free version is more than sufficient. So coming to the next one is Adobe Analytics, previously called as Omniture, which is completely paid. Now if you want to analyze your competitors' traffic, sir, I just want to know what traffic my competitor is getting, how is getting, where is getting. So there are tools. Again, there are tools like Alexa, SimilarWeb, Ahrefs, SEMrush. These are few tools that you can use to check competitors traffic. These are just estimation tools, guys. There's no 100% guarantee that these are 100% right. Okay, so one of the tool is called Alexa. Okay, this is the website alexa.com. It's owned by Amazon. What you can do is you can scroll full down, you can search for top browse sites, and you can put in any web address. Say you want to check for Google. I type google.com and I click on find. Now I'll scroll down. Now what, again, we'll talk about this data when we have the topic, actual topic. Now for now, if you scroll down, Alexa gives something called as Alexa rank. It's an industry standard rank. So what they do is they look for the most important factor they look for is only one factor, which is called popularity, which is nothing but traffic. So based on traffic, they are ranking websites. Can you see? It's globally number one. In United States, it is the number one most visited website. Alexa. So Alexa is giving the rank like this. You can check for any website. You want to check the second most visited website, which is YouTube, and I click on search and I'll scroll down. I think it's still loading. Yeah, so I'll scroll down here, and if you can see, it is the second most visited. Third website, if I'm right, it should be Facebook, if I remember correctly. Facebook, YouTube, like this. You can keep on checking for every single website, guys. If you check and you are not seeing any stats, means you are not getting that much sufficient traffic, or it is taking some time to populate the data. Okay, do not worry about it. And again, guys, Alexa rank doesn't determine your website is a good website or not a good website. For example, most movie download websites having very low Alexa rank because they are getting more visitors, right? So those are few examples of Alexa, but it's a good estimation to check how much traffic you are getting or your competitors is getting. Okay, and there's one more very powerful tool called as SimilarWeb. SimilarWeb is a very powerful tool. This is called as, so you go to this website called similarweb.com. So I can type address of any particular website. Since I was talking about Amazon, let me take an example of Amazon in. And one small pro tip I would suggest is, guys, don't compare data between two different tools, because every tool give their own metrics and their algorithms and dimensions. So don't try to compare between each other. Okay, so here I type amazon.in, sorry. You can see the global rank. It is the 85th most visited website. In terms of country, it is 6. Similarly, this is what it means, guys. Alexa rank means based on popularity or based on traffic, it gives you rank. The lower the number, the more traffic you're getting. The higher the number, the less traffic you're getting. So coming back, which means popularity, of course. So I can scroll down. You can see on an average they get 297 million visitors. On an average, people going to Amazon is spending 5 minutes, and all the stats we can talk about later. But the most important thing I want to talk about is this one, which I was just explaining here. So if we can explain, come back to here, we are talking about all the major traffic sources, and you see the major, all the same traffic sources. The first type of traffic is called direct traffic, and as you can see, 52% of the traffic they are getting is through direct, which means people directly typing their web address or coming through an app. So 52%, very strong in terms of brand authority. So second one is search traffic. Can you see here 38.4%, 38.42% is coming from search traffic, which means they are very strong in social search, which is SEO and PPC. And the third one is called social traffic. As you can see from social media sites like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, they're getting 5% of the visitors. And email traffic almost 1.79%, almost 1.8%. You might be thinking it's small, guys, but it's the number or the volume matters. 297 million visitors, 1.79 is still a very good number. So the next one is referral traffic. As you can see, I think double R, I made a mistake here, but you still got the point. 1.92% are getting from referral or affiliate sites, 1.92%. And the last one is 0.51% from display advertising, banner ads like this. Okay, these type of ads are shown on, you can be showing, Google has a very vast network of display ads, more than 2 million websites and 600,000 mobile apps. So this completes the topic of online traffic. So thank you.